guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. Now, as you can see by the title, I am cutting my hair. Yes, I'm cutting my hair. Well, I'm cutting the ends. I'm cutting the ends, and I wanted to show you guys how I cut the ends. I know I showed you guys how I cut my ends, especially if I'm doing a certain look, but I'm not doing anything anytime soon. I wanted to blow dry my hair and show you guys how I cut my ends because I don't know if I got some damage or something, but I feel like my ends need to be cut. Like there's something going on. It just feels really weird. It feels soft, but I don't know, I feel like the ends need to be cut or something. So I want to blow dry it to get a better look at where my ends are. So if you're ready to see me and join me in this process, stay tuned. So I noticed that it needs to be cut because I did a whole day of moisturizing yesterday. I put some deep conditioner in my hair and slept with it, and I just rinsed it off this morning. But just, you guys hear that? See that split and that stragged just running? Ugh, that's not my hair. It doesn't feel... Ugh. Yeah, that sound, it doesn't feel that moisturizer taken care of. So let me start blow drying it. So before I blow drying it, I'm gonna use my Rucker Roots Leave-In Protector. It has turnip, carrots, and ginger roots oil. So it really protects your hair, and I feel like this really protects your hair, especially before blow drying it.
You're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider when I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you ain't for the heart when you walked on the floor. You a real gal Batman killer, but you ain't never did with the boys.
All right, I blow dried this part. As you can see, there's some strands. I don't know if you guys can see strands still attached, and it's just doesn't feel healthy. There's a whole bunch of balls. So I feel like my hair just needs to be cut. So that's why I'm cutting it. Let's see. Let's keep this going.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround.
All right, this side is done. Do you see all these little balls? Ugh. So I don't see a big, I probably just need to cut over here like this just to create some form. Because there's not a lot of space between my hair. Have you guys seen where they talk about like empty space in your hair, where it gets the contrast changes dark to light? So this light part is where I would be cutting. All this that you could see the wall behind me, that's where I would be cutting. So let me do this other side and then we can start cutting. All right, now to start cutting. Gonna start at the back. Just make a section back there. So I'm just gonna take it right here. As you can see, this is the ending part over here. So I'm gonna take my scissors and oh, that hurt my heart doing that. This part. I'm just cutting where it thins out.
Disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I could still leave here as the best man. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can to me, boy, and you can move in a pose, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance.
And as you can see, my hair just looks healthier and it feels healthier. Oh. See this part right here? That's see-through. As you can see, stops right. Stops right here. See the difference? I get so sad whenever I'm cutting my hair, like I'm losing a part of me, but it's better to be healthy than to have long strands of hair that's just not healthy. So let's keep this cut fest going.
Up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move in a pose, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
I'm trying not to cry on camera. Oh. Because when you spend so long growing your hair, cutting it makes you feel like you're taking a big chunk out of what you've been working towards, but I have to not think of it like that because that's not how it is.
My best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move in a pose, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as
I know I cut my ends the last time I curled my hair with the perm rods because they felt fried, but I feel like I just cut it a little bit because I didn't remember the last time I cut my hair, because I don't get it professionally cut, I cut it myself, and I have been cutting it little by little, but this was my first like big cut that I did. Like, look at this. Look how much hair I cut. That is a lot. Like if I paid someone to cut this, I felt like I would have a mini heart attack because I've put so much work into my hair that cutting it just felt wrong. But look at me now and how it feels, the way I'm running my hands through my hair. I'm just like, this feels great. Like my ends feel so much better. I'm gonna moisturize and probably braid my hair up, but this is like, who doesn't want their hair to feel like this? To feel this smooth, to feel moisturized, to feel good and airy. Look at this. Look at this. That's amazing. That's amazing. And I feel good about it, so I'm not completely in shambles about it. So I'm probably just gonna put in some leave-in conditioner, twist it up, but if you guys could feel this, you'd be like, this feels fried. It feels fried, brittle, and just a mess. Look at all those balls inside the ball. As you can see, like, I'm using the white background behind me, but if you can see the balls, just, it needed to be done. This feels so good. So right now I'm gonna take my Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils illuminating me mist and spray it on my hand. I'm gonna keep this for just until the rest of the day, just to enjoy this bountifulness of hair that I have. Just wave it around. And thank you for watching, and thank you for being here with me with my distress I cut my hair video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And remember, you're loved, you're appreciated, and you're beautiful. Bye.